I'm going to also bring in Maushami, who's been tracking the developments from the opposition side. Maushami, if you can jump in on this, the opposition initially believed to have shown support for Om Birla as the speaker for the NDA candidate. But now it appears that they've decided to change their mind and field K. Suresh, Congress MP, for the speaker's post against Om Birla. The change of events in barely half an hour. Do tell us what went through the minds of the opposition netas. We heard Rahul Gandhi speaking, saying either give us deputy speaker, if not face a fight.
Right, so this is a very vociferous opposition that the government is facing, Nabila. And ever since yesterday, when Rajnath Singh got in touch with Mallikarjun Kharge, the opposition parties had mooted and demanded the deputy speaker's position, clearly waiting for a revert from the government. And there is no thaw in the ice as far as, that conversation is concerned. Perhaps the government feeling that this is asking a bit too much, to in fact bargain for the deputy speaker's post in exchange for Om Birla's confirmation by the opposition, and thereby, this will see a historic battle not witnessed in decades in the Lok Sabha, where there will be an election. We've just got these pictures of K. Suresh filing his nomination for the speaker's post. Remember, the Congress was asking for the deputy speaker's post for K. Suresh. He's been a very experienced and seasoned parliamentarian and has been in the panel of the Lok Sabha chair, and that's why the opposition that is very vocal this time. They are much swelled up in numbers. They are not ready to take this lying down. They wanted that position, and failing which now they've in fact thrown their hat in the ring as far as contest for the speaker's post is concerned.
Very interesting. I'm going to cut across to Piyush Goyal, who spoke right after this controversy blew out. Let's cut across.
पहले लोकसभा का उपाध्यक्ष कौन होगा वो पहले तय करें, फिर अध्यक्ष के लिए समर्थन मिलेगा। इस प्रकार की राजनीति को हम की निंदा करते हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि अच्छी परंपरा ये रहती कि लोकसभा निर्विरोध एक सर्वसम्मति से अध्यक्ष चुनता, तो लोकसभा की भी मर्यादा अच्छी रहती, सभी पक्ष का उसमें योगदान रहता, और स्पीकर वैसे भी किसी सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी या विपक्ष का नहीं होता है, वो पूरे सदन का होता है। वैसे ही उपाध्यक्ष भी कोई पार्टी या दल का नहीं होता है, पूरे सदन का होता है, और इससे उसमें सदन की सहमति हो, ऐसे शर्तों के आधार पर कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति या पर्टिकुलर पक्ष का ही उपाध्यक्ष हो, वो लोकसभा की कोई परंपरा में नहीं बैठता।